Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabeena, with a continuation of week 4 of the on paper 6 items challenge with Labour behind the label. I'd like to talk to you about one of Labour behind the label's live campaigns. This campaign is called Adidas Stop Stealing from Workers. Adidas is one of the world's most profitable sports brands, yet workers making their clothes are systematically subjected to wage theft and union busting. In 8 Adidas supply factories in Cambodia alone, Adidas owe their workers $11.7 million US dollars in wages for just the first 14 months of the pandemic. In May 2022, 5,600 workers at another Adidas supplier in Cambodia went on strike over unpaid wages. The factory responded by having union leaders arrested. This wage and severance theft stretches far beyond Cambodia across Adidas's global supply chain. Labour behind the label are calling on Adidas to come to the negotiation table with unions and commit to a binding agreement on wages, severance and labour rights. And there is a message and statement from one of the workers from the former Adidas supplier Hulu Garment in Cambodia. We had no choice but to first sell our land to repay the bank. We are no longer able to financially support our parents. We used to spend money on food. For a husband and wife to eat 3 meals, it costs around $5 a day. We have had to cut our spending to just $3 a day. It is critical that Adidas takes action now. Please stand with workers and tell Adidas to pay its workers and respect labour rights. I would appreciate it if you could sign and share this Adidas petition and continue to support Labour behind the labels campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.